Sherry Langston is our Director of Adventure here at the Living Coast Discovery Center here in Chula Vista. What are we going to see today?
Today we're going to have a lot of fun with our Wild San Diego. We're going to go check out some of the animals that you'd see here in your own backyards. We're going to go take a little walk with U.S. Fish and Wildlife to look at some of the different habitats you have in San Diego. Then we're going to wrap, I'm going to make you lick a leaf, by the way.
Lick a leaf? Why?
You're going to lick a leaf, just trust me.
Oh.
And then we're going to wrap it up and talk about some endangered species that we have here and how you guys can help them.
Lick a leaf?
Lick a leaf.
So Sherry, what can you tell us about Mr. T the tortoise?
Mr. T the tortoise. You know, we have several different species of tortoise throughout San Diego. This one happens to be a Sonoran desert tortoise that you'd find up in the higher desert regions. And then you've got over here a rosy boa, and these are a very commonly found snake here in San Diego. And a lot of people think snakes and oh no, but these guys are actually very docile, very important to our ecosystem for rodent control.
So Kurt, give us some tips on if we approach a snake, if we're bit, just give us some quick tips.
Yeah, you know, if you're not sure whether it's a rattlesnake or not, especially this time of the year, they're coming out to sun themselves, becoming more active, you know, it's really just to stay away. Most snake bites are provoked. They're not just by accidental walking by one. But the best thing you can do is just kind of give a snake, you know, a wide breath, you know, stay away from it, let it go about its own thing. You know, if it's coming into your house or trying to come into your house, you may want to put up something to block it away.
Give us a sense of what we're looking at here.
Yeah, so this is the remains of a whale that washed up years ago in the southern end of San Diego Bay within the National Wildlife Refuge. And we brought the remains here. You can see the vertebrae, you can see the head skeleton portion of it, and we use it for interpretation for school children.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's amazing how big that is. And you can see the hole right there where the spinal cord would have gone through. It's quite large.
We're looking out here in the South Bay. We can see the city view. We can see what you say are the mud flats. Why are they important during breeding season for birds?
The mud flats provide pretty much a buffet for the birds as they're coming through, getting their food, filling up, fueling up, getting ready for breeding or maybe migrating to another place.
A buffet?
A buffet, yeah. All sorts of little creatures. The birds will actually follow the tide line as the mud flats getting exposed, picking the food up as they go along. And we have a secretive marsh bird called the light-footed clapperrill, a federally endangered species that resides out here. And I say it's secretive is because you never really see it. You only hear it call.
Have we gotten any understanding behind what they're saying?
Oh, sure. There's a whole vocabulary that's going on out there. You know, they're talking to each other, particularly in the breeding season, they're more vocal. They're telling each other, hey, this is my girl here, or this is my territory. Hey, stay out of here, buddy.
All right, Sherry, I'm gonna eat the leaf.
You're gonna lick the leaf. This is the salt bush here that we have on the wetlands. So a great adaptation that plants have is they have to bring in the water somehow through their roots, but salt's not really good for the plant. So they're gonna go ahead and expel it through their leaves, which gives it a what flavor?
Salty?
Salty flavor, absolutely. Kumeyaay Indians used to use this as part of their diet.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is really cool. And next time we come here, you're going to introduce us to some birds?
Yeah, definitely. So this is Black, our little burrowing owl. Another native species of San Diego, and we've got a lot more coming.